Welcome back to Breezy Willow Acres. I'm Jay, and we are in the middle of monsoon February. Rain started about 11 p.m. last night, and it's been going all day. Our boys are doing good. They've got a dry area. Our dogs, our new pups are doing well. Just gave them some hay and some feed. Bourbon and Teeny are doing well as well. Got a little bit of a leak in the roof right here I'm going to have to fix here this summer, but for now the entire area for them is dry, other than that one spot. The rain just started picking up again. I'm about to go milk boba and then give the girls some hay, and they'll be done with that until this afternoon, but I wanted you to see what's going on. So this side over here is where the water comes running down, and it goes out towards the front of our property, and as you can see, it is flooded, and it keeps coming up, going up and down and up and down as the day goes on and the rain picks up and then lags behind. It's crazy here right now. I was thinking,
Right inside.
you think? That should work. Yeah, a scoop might not be enough.
Did they eat all theirs? Well, they had some today. That wasn't nice.
So while I'm out here, we're going to do a quick udder check. That's Olivia. We got Tallulah. We're going to give Olivia, Tallulah, Holly, Maisie, and Molly a shave this weekend. Holly. Thank you, May. That's Boba. She ain't even pregnant. Got Belinda. Here come Maisie and Molly. Maisie's looking really big right now. And Molly's getting a bit bigger too. Yeah. You can see the girls' barn's completely dry. No leaks over here. They're doing good. Almost time to muck everything out though, but let's take a look at the back here. So this is their main, our main orchard area that they get to graze in, and you can see there's kind of a mini river running through it from all of the rain, going down into the pond, and the pond is completely flooded. I've got some work to do back over there around that gate. Crazy amounts of water just in the last 12 hours or so. Right now the rain's dying off a bit, so our little flooded area is kind of catching up, but it's been nasty all day. So this is after a downpour during our rains here, February 2025. Water comes up down from over there, and it is pretty much flooding very heavily right now. It's been worse. We've actually had it coming up the hill towards the house before, but this has been happening since 11 p.m. last night, so it's even flooding on the other side, which it normally doesn't do. So it has been a crazy evening, crazy day, and we're only supposed to get more rain.